Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, watching 28 here to get short on FRC. Short meaning making money when prices go down. Oh, NVIDIA looking very interesting there. Would definitely be against trend. Okay, never mind. So we'll thinking out loud on that one. That's pretty strong. And as I thought, missed out on FRC, but that's all right. In hindsight, it would have worked out quite nicely here, but it is what it is, because Tesla now looks pretty interesting here too. Yeah, potentially Tesla at 184.65 if it wants to bounce, but I'm certainly not going to take it down there. NVIDIA though, I do like 261 now, but as it bounces back up, potentially never mind. So, okay, I will go ahead and pause. All right, going to go ahead and potentially get short here on NVIDIA at 262. So I need this to come up to 262 or else I'm not going to be interested. So that I may get left in the dust if it just decides to pull back. But I'm also watching Tesla, which is trying to bounce a little bit here. So at 184.65, I would be interested on Tesla. Let me throw an order out there just in case it decides to do a Tesla spike and hop up there. So again, I'm at 184.65. There we go. Spike up a little bit more. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. Oh, close, close, close. Oh, come on. Just a bit more. Okay, I could potentially just do 184 now. Watching 184. Short there at 184.23. So a pretty straightforward premise. Is this thing going to come down? Need 183.50. So we'll see if this can make its way down here. Again, I'm short, so I want to see prices go down. Come on. Doesn't want to come down is the question. Right, I got my stop there too. So this thing's either going to drop down Getting close to my target. Not quite there yet, though. Oh, so close yet so far away. All right, I'll go ahead and pause for now. Well, and just like that, am I about to get stopped out in one candle. Not looking so good now. Crazy. Was so close to my price target, and everything essentially wiped away in one candle. Welcome to the nature of the market sometimes. So close, yet so far away. Maybe that'll be the name of this video. But we'll see if it wants to come back down. But at this point, feeling like I'm going to get stopped out. We'll see, though. I'll go ahead and pause. Well, is it coming up? Knocking on that door. But yeah, not looking so good at all right now. All right, I will pause. All right, maybe I survived. But it's still got to come down 183.50. That's what I need, what I want. Now the question is, do I wait for a little bit more now? Survive the pullback. Problem is, this is happening at such a rate that all right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, maybe getting ready to make a move. Again, this area here, 183.50. Doesn't want to make the break. There we go. Can we get some more momentum? So took off some there, got even more than what I originally wanted. 100 shares left. So at this point, it will be a winning trade because my stop is now at 184.01. So now I'm in a great spot because it's not a question of if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? And as traders, okay, I'm going to go ahead and adjust it down to 183.51 now. Okay, and I'm going to bring it down to 183.27. So this is a fantastic spot to be in where my only stress right now is, hey, how much money am I going to make? And that is a great spot to be in. If this can make another push down, then I'm going to bring it down some more. Yep. Because this is a very overextended move. So 182.01 now. So again, not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? A fantastic spot to be in as a trader. If this breaks down through 182.50, I'll adjust it again. And here's me thinking I was going to get stopped out, but that's why you got to have faith in the plan, and I am stopped out there for $247. It is 9:43, so less than 15 minutes, one trade, 200, and we'll call it with commissions $40. I am very, very pleased with that, and I think I might just call that good. For context's sake, this is a side hustle for me. I'm a big believer in multiple streams of income, and trading is one of those streams of income. And at this point in my life, as a father of 5 kids, I want to have freedom of time. Now, I get it for you. Maybe at your stage or whatever you're at, your goal is, I want the Lamborghini, I want the private jet. Cool. I hope you get those things. I really do. But we all have different things, and at this point in my life, I am chasing freedom of time. And if I can, like I said, put $240 in my pocket in less than 15 minutes, I'm going to do that all day long. I mean, I will gladly take that so I can just move on with my day and, just see what happens. So that is all I have. And, the quick lesson there is at that point, I'll be the first to admit it gets spooky, it gets scary. You start to question yourself. You heard me saying, it's probably going to get stopped out. I was thinking of the name of the video, so close yet so far away, yet the stop loss made sense and the price came down and, made it, like I said, even got a little bit more than what my first price target was, which was fantastic. So overall worked out very, very nicely. And like I said, that is the name of the game. So I'm going to go ahead and move on with my day, call it good. So $240, less than 15 minutes. I'll take it. And I hope you all had a good day too. But thanks for watching. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.